Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I bought this from Amazon. As you can see, it's come in very good quality and made with a high quality metal. It is based on the Rode 4.5 in one core hub. I tested it and it's fast to transfer the data. That's worked very well. Also, probably there is one partial issue that you need to have an extra cable, so always depend on the outlet of the electricity, so little bit is tough to always near the electricity, but it's very well if you have a permanent workstation. Totally quality, it seems to me good and work very nice. Yes, that would be great if they can do something you don't need every time to huge adapter. There's a 2 port here and 3 port USB-C here and 1 charger. And it has a great quality. Thank you for watching.